It's summertime, 95 degrees, hot teas are out, tinctures are in. And in today's video, I want to share with you the different types of tinctures that I use to keep up with my wellness during the summer. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. All returning, welcome back to my channel. I'm Britt Diane. This is where I document my herbalist journey and share with you what I'm learning so that you're encouraged to take a natural approach to your health also. Let's get started. First off, what is a tincture? Well, basically, a tincture is an extract of plants dissolved in alcohol, usually between 25% to up to 90%. There's different ways to do it, but the way I like to do it is to pour the plants in a mason jar, then pour the alcohol on top of the plants and let it sit from anywhere between 4 to 6 weeks. Bottle it, then enjoy. I use tinctures for a different variety of reasons. And so today I'm going to start off with my big three that I use constantly. Number one being chamomile. Chamomile helps with my anxiety and anytime I'm feeling overwhelmed. It also helps with cramping, especially during my menstrual cycle. And anytime I've had a hard workout and my muscles just feel like they want to give out, shout out to my trainer. Chamomile is what I grab, and I grab it every day. Next, I have a blend that I call Cast Your Cares. In this blend, I put passion flower and skullcap, and this blend is amazing for me. It stops my overthinking, and when I have racing thoughts at night before I need to go to bed, it gives me that calm and peaceful feeling so that I'm able to fall asleep instantly. Not only that, when I'm needing to feel creative or when I'm ready to work on a project, I also take it for that because it helps me focus on what I need to focus on. So that is my number two of the big three. Next is Tulsi, also known as holy basil. And I love Tulsi. One, because it gives me that energetic boost without giving me the jittery feeling that coffee does. So I often grab that. Actually, I grab it every day, especially before work, because me being a neurodivergent woman, I often have trouble being around a lot of people, and I don't want to say it helps me deal with people, but it gives me the energy I need to be around people. And that's why it makes it into my top three. Then I have an echinacea and elderberry blend. I actually bought this tea from mountainroseherbs.com, and I'll link the tea below. But I made it into a tincture because, of course, like I said, I don't want to drink hot tea in the summer. And when I feel like a summer cold coming on or my sinuses are acting up, maybe my allergies are flaring up, I often take that and it knocks it out within 24 to 48 hours. Then I have Damiana, and Damiana helps me relax, gives me that unwinding feeling after a long day. I also used to take it when I had a significant other. It's known as an aphrodisiac. It enhances the senses. So it was great to use when I needed it. If you know, then you know. Then I have yarrow. Yarrow helps me with any stagnation that I have during my menstrual cycle. Sometimes she likes to come and trickle in, and I'm just like, let's get this over with. So yarrow helps a lot when I need the flow to flow. It also helps when my sinuses get dry and I have the occasional nosebleed. It helps to knock out the nosebleed. Of course, I take it orally, not up my nose. I don't know why I have to say that, but in today's time, I have to say that. Then I have Shalom Within. That is also a tea blend that I put together. It has ginger, calendula, chamomile, and peppermint. And it is great for any digestive issues I have. Whether I overeat and I feel heavy, like you get the itis, it helps with that. Also, if I feel like I need to pass gas, like I have gas stuck in my stomach, it helps with that. It's kind of like Pepto. Upset stomach, indigestion, something, diarrhea. Yeah, it helps with that. So that's my go-to when I have any stomach issues. And then I have calendula. And calendula also helps with digestive issues. Of course, it's in my Shalom Within mix. But it also helps with any yeast issues I have after my menstrual cycle has passed. And it helps improve the internal lining of the digestive system. So it's something I often grab as well. I have motherwort that I'm adding to my lineup. It also is supposed to help with stagnation during your menstrual cycle and also help with nervousness as far as needing the courage to say things or be in environments that are uncomfortable. So I look forward to seeing how that herb works with my body. I'm also working on adding my Renew My Heart tea blend to my tincture go-tos. That tea is a mixture of hawthorn berries, nettle, tulsi, red raspberry leaf, and lemon balm. And it helps me regulate my blood pressure. I've been battling with my blood pressure since my early 20s. And I finally found something that I can go to every day that helps my blood pressure stay regulated. So I know that'll be something that I'll be taking on a daily as well. And that is my tincture lineup. Those are my go-tos for this summer. If you're interested in trying any of these, I do have extra from what I've made. Please do your research before trying any of these because this is how these herbs work with my body, but every body is different. So I highly suggest that you do your research. But if you do your research and then decide, hey, I want to try this out, my website is linked below. Whatever overflow I have will be on that website. If you enjoyed this video, please like, please share with those you think will be interested. Also, let me know in the comments if you've made any of these or tried any tinctures similar to these, or if you have a tincture that you suggest that I try out. Subscribe. I'll have more videos like this to come, and I'll see you in the next video.